Hey guys, finally got my box from Purbella's. I'm excited to see what's inside. Let's check it out. So we have a t-shirt towel, rosemary mint shampoo, rosemary sage conditioner, this is rejuvenate hair growth oil, this is Cocoa Fresh. I love Cocoa Fresh. Hello Curls, Curly Tings, and this is just like a little brush for your scalp. No dream big, no pad. Oh, hair ties. And this appears to be some type of oil and a bracelet and a ring. Oh, okay, yeah. Cute little bracelet. Peppermint oil. This I'm really excited about. Let's open this t-shirt towel. So this you're going to use to wrap around your hair to help it dry. So I got my Purbella items. I'm gonna use them and I'll get back with you. See you guys later.